instances.
You know, it's irrelevant because
Yes.
you are telling falsehoods here.
I take exception to that statement.
I
Mr.
am
President.
saying you are telling falsehoods here.
Ibinulgar naman ni Enrile na ang tunay na issue ay ang pagtatrabaho pala ni Trillanes bilang patagong negosyador ng Pilipinas sa China kaugnay sa issue ng Scarborough Shoal.
Whom did you talk to in China?
I don't need to report to the Senate President, Mr. President.
You have a duty
I am
to
not,
report what you do
obliged.
as a senator to this chamber. And in fact,
Inamin ni Trillanes na may 15 beses na siyang nakikipagkita sa mga opisyal ng China sa basbas ng Pangulong Aquino. Inilantad ni Enrile ang notes na ginawa ni dating Philippine Ambassador to China, Sonia Brady.
Point
This-
of order, Mr. President.
you want me to read this?
A point of
What is the
order.
point of order?
The Senate President may reveal sensitive information pertaining to foreign relations and national security.
Do not teach
Oh,
me what
session.
the parliamentary proceedings. I'm not answerable to anybody about
There's a
what
point
I
of
say
order,
in this hall.
Mr. President.
And I have here the white paper that you've been writing about the Secretary of Foreign Affairs.
Ito na ang nagtulak kay Trillanes na mag-walk out.
He cannot take the hit. He's a coward.
Sa notes ni Ambassador Brady, inaakusahan ni Trillanes si Foreign Affairs Secretary Albert Del Rosario ng pagtatraidor sa interes ng Pilipinas.
Secretary Del Rosario is committing treason. This is a senator of the Republic calling our secretary a treasonous person in a foreign land. He does not even know when treason arises. My God, this guy is a fraud.
Muling humarap si Trillanes sa media para ipanawagang magbitiw na bilang Senate President si Enrile. Kinumpirma ni Enrile na si Trillanes nga ang nasa likod ng matagal nang nababalitang coup plot laban sa kanya.
Wala kang kwentang Senate President. You deserve to leave. You deserve to be replaced.
Okay lang. Okay lang kung kaya niya gawin siyang Senate President. Good luck. Good luck.
Sir, siya ba yung sinasabi mong dati?
In fact, I am forcing him. I'll force him.
Bago pa man nagkasagutan ng dalawa, pinagbawal na ng Pangulo si Trillanes at Del Rosario na magsalita sa media. Para sa Bandila, Shara Zambrano.
Ano ang reaksyon ninyo sa pagiging emisaryo ni Trillanes sa backdoor negotiations sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at China? Ano naman ang masasabi ninyo sa reaksyon ni Trillanes sa pangumunyag ni Enrile? Magbigay po kayo ng inyong mga opinyon